Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how can you link all the set or hyperlink the set. So in this workbook I have almost 126 worksheet. So I want to link them in here. So let me run the code first. So if I click this, then it just lists all the sets name except this one because it's active. So if I click this, then it will go to that specific set. So it going to the set. Yeah, so if I click this one, then it will go to that specific set. So this is the output of this code, and let me show you the code. So this is the code. So what it does, at first I declare some variable fixed worksheet name, actually where I want the hyperlink, and worksheet, so it's needed for the looping part, and I as the integer for looping, and then I set the fixed worksheet name where I want the hyperlink output, and it's start from row 2 because I want the output is start from here, so it's just row 2. Okay, so if I click any on this, then it will go to that specific set. So I am looping for each loop. So for each worksheet in this workbook, I'm going to check if worksheet.name fixed worksheet name. Okay, so what I am doing here is just going to do this. Yes, I am checking that the fixed worksheet name is equal of the worksheet or not. So it's just first check that, and if it's not equal, that means it's a new sheet, then I just add hyperlink. So I'm going to add this, add fixed worksheet. So fixed worksheet dot hyperlinks dot add, and anchor actually means where you want the link. Okay, so that is going to be in fixed worksheet, and its row will be dynamic in I, and column as I want the output in column A, so it's A, and address is blank, so I need to direct it. Okay, so if I just click it, then it's going to that specific set. So for that I need to use sub address. So first that worksheet name, and then the first cell or A1. Okay, and screen tip. So what does screen tip do? If I just hover the mouse cursor in here, see, so it's show some string. Click to go to seat 1 seat, or click to go to Ismail 1 seat. So it just show a tooltip. So it's just show a text which is called tooltip. Okay, and then I'm going to increase the value of I for next indexing. Okay, because I need this value to be increased. Okay, and this loop is going to run until the last worksheet, and after that what I am doing is just auto fit, because sometimes the worksheet name may be large, so I need to just auto fit this column. That's it. And today I have another part this video, so that's it, and that is that sometimes you need to add multiple worksheet. Okay, so for that I just add a macro. So I as a byte, because I am going to add maximum maybe 100 or 150. So until your worksheet or you want to add less than 256 worksheet, then it's going to be fine by using byte as a data type. Okay, and on your resume next I'm going to explain this a few times. Okay, so then what I'm doing, I just execute that enable events is false, and calculation mode is automatic to manual, so it does not calculate anything. Okay, and after that I am going to use a loop. So for I want to 100, and just I want to add new worksheet. So worksheet dot add, and where I want to add the would be after all the seeds count, and the seed name will be Ismail and I. So I use this I because it's going to be unique. Okay. So sometimes maybe you run the loop for one time, then you just break or reset this. So when you run this for the first time or single value of I, or just when it's going to be I equals to 1, then it will execute this line. After that the I value will be increased by 1 and I becomes 2. So after that maybe you just reset it. So already it's at mile 1 oxide. So when again you are going to run this macro, so then it will show you that the seeds is already there. So it's going to return an error. Let's see if I just make this comment and then run it, and it's going to return an runtime error on 004. So that name is already taken. Try different one. So that's the use of this one error resume next. So when it will return an error, then it will just this slide, if it's return error, then it will just go to the next I value, and then again it's check that. So it's just neglecting that line which returns an error. That's the use of this line. So that's it. Thank you.